I broke my #1 rule. I traded Asian session yesterday. I broke it, bro. But it's okay to trade Asian session if you have a good setup. So let me break it down for you. Oh my gosh! Tariff news. That was today. That's massive. That's like that's a low taper fade candle. Like how massive that is. But all right. So this is why I took the trade I did on Asian session last night. Daily, we're still bearish. 4 hour, this is last night. This is the area, by the way. 4 hour, we were bearish. Yeah, and 1 hour, we were bearish. I'm gonna clear everything. Alright, so on the 4 hour, I saw fair value gap right there. That's like before it got filled, you know, because like it was around this time frame. Then I also saw we were like right here. I was hoping that it would maybe come into equilibrium, 4 hour equilibrium, to be precise. But it did come into 1 hour equilibrium. Oh. And then I think I went to the 15-minute. I saw a break of structure to the upside. Hoping to get I was hoping to get a retracement into this area. We did. Then had a 5-minute break of structure to the downside right here. Scale down to small boy 1 minute. Where were we at? And I marked out, let's see. What did I mark out? Oh, yeah. I wanted to see this 5-minute FVG get filled. FVG is fair value gap, by the way. So I wanted to see that get filled, and it did. Got filled. We got a strong rejection out of it. I entered short. Put my stop above the retracement / liquidity sweep. And my TP1 was right there. And that was my TP. And it got hit. So that was last night, but I took a trade today. So let's go over the trade I took today. Alrighty. London. New York. Alrighty. So we were still bearish on literally everything. Saw this. What the? Well, I saw this. What the? Maybe it was. Wait, hold on. Oh yeah. I saw this fair value gap on the 1 hour. And also 1 hour equilibrium, which didn't get hit, but I wanted it to get hit, but it didn't, so it was fine, I guess. But we retraced into the fair value gap. on the 5-minute. We also swept that liquidity, so this is a order block. Scale down to 1 minute. We hit that order block, broke structure to the downside, so I entered short. My stop above that. I didn't close out. We hit these lows, but I didn't close out. I should have. That should have been. That should have been my TP1. Like I was waiting for it to like push farther to the downside, but it didn't. So that would have been a way better trade if that was my TP1. But I never closed out, and I got stopped out because I got stopped. I didn't get stopped out here and went back down. I didn't get stopped out here. I got stopped out when the tariff news came out, and then just went boom. So that was the one I took today. I also took another one last night on Euro USD. I forgot to tell you guys, because it was after I already filmed the video. But let's clear all this crap. So it's basically 4-hour bullish, daily bullish, 1 hour bullish. Let's see what confluences do I want to get hit. Fair value. I saw this fair value gap. Oh. And I also was hoping equilibrium would get hit, but it didn't. Alrighty. So that was like that. Wait. Oh yeah. Tapped into the fair value gap. It'll go to 5 minutes. So tapped into the FVG, mate. Broke structure to the upside. And go down to 1 minute. We swept liquidity, so we filled this order block area. And then yeah, we broke after I filled that, I was waiting for like a strong rejection out of it. So then I just entered long. I think my stop was like right there. But yeah, I had a partial take profit, and I just decided to take the rest of the profit because this was like pretty late at night. So yeah, that's the trade recap. Pretty good. Peace.